Tired of snoring ruining your sleep? You're not alone. 1 in 3 adults snore regularly. But what if I told you there's a way to stop it for good? Smile Connect Dental Clinic, Model Town, Delhi, is here to reveal the secret to restful nights. Watch till the end for expert insights from Dr. Krishna Kabra, who will share life-changing tips on snoring solutions. Snoring happens when air can't move freely through your nose and throat during sleep. It causes the tissues around your airway to vibrate, producing that familiar sound. But क्या आपको पता है? Chronic snoring can lead to serious health problems like sleep apnea, hypertension, and even heart disease. There are several common causes of snoring. Nasal congestion. Blocked nasal airways can force you to breathe through your mouth. Poor muscle tone. Relaxed throat muscles during deep sleep can cause your airway to collapse. Sleep position. Sleeping on your back increases snoring because gravity makes the tongue and soft tissues fall backward. But don't worry, we've got solutions, from home remedies to advanced treatments. Let's dive in. Let's start with some effective home remedies that could help reduce or even stop snoring. Try sleeping on your side instead of your back. This helps prevent your tongue from blocking your throat. Pro tip: place a pillow behind your back or use a specialized body pillow for better support. Dehydration can cause your throat tissues to become sticky, worsening snoring. आपको at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day जरूर पीना चाहिए. Dry air can irritate the membranes in your throat and nose. Try using a humidifier in your bedroom to add moisture to the air and reduce snoring naturally. Drinking herbal teas like peppermint tea before bed can reduce inflammation in the throat and clear nasal congestion. यह एक simple and natural remedy है. These remedies are simple, but if snoring persists, आपको advanced solutions की जरूरत हो सकती है. Let's look at how Smile Connect's expert solutions can help.
Is snoring ruining your sleep? आज हम बात करेंगे इस कॉमन टॉपिक की जो कि है स्नोरिंग. हाय, आई एम डॉक्टर काबरा. वेलकम टू डेंटल म्यूजिंग बाय स्माइल कनेक्ट. Snoring can even lead to hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, and sleep apnea. Now, to start with, at Smile Connect Dental Clinic, we diagnose the root cause of snoring, and we give a custom-made appliances. So these appliances are mainly two types, that is the mandibular advancement appliance and the tongue retaining appliances. Now what does these appliances do? These appliances increases the volume of the oral cavity and the nasal cavity so that patient can breathe easily.
Smile Connect offers a range of mandibular advancement devices, MADs, जो स्पेशली डिजाइंड होते हैं आपके लोअर जॉ को आगे रखने के लिए while you sleep. ये डिवाइस आपकी एयरवेज को खुली रखते हैं, preventing snoring. These devices are custom made to fit your mouth, ensuring comfort throughout the night. No more uncomfortable nights or loud snoring. और ये सिर्फ comfortable नहीं, but highly effective हैं. Smile Connect Dental Clinic offers state-of-the-art technology and personalized care for all your dental and sleep health needs. हम ये ensure करते हैं कि आपको सिर्फ बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट मिले जो आपकी लाइफस्टाइल और कंफर्ट को सूट करे. Ready to sleep better and finally say goodbye to snoring? Book your consultation with Smile Connect Dental Clinic today. Don't let snoring disrupt your life any longer. And before you go, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Dental Musings by Smile Connect for more expert dental and sleep health tips.